goodbye Jamaica, make some more money.
All you wanna do is gas me.
Thanks to everyone that came over to support me through everything. My new subscribers, all of you, thank you so much. Thank you to Jason as well for always being around me and never leaving me out. Big shout out to Jason and to everyone who will support the channel. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this vlog, this is me rounding up my holiday. This is the last day of my holiday in Jamaica, my last full day. So I didn't get the chance to go to the beaches, like the big beaches and stuff, like going to like Rio or going to Elsha, or because I had my mom, and it's a quick trip. It wasn't nothing like a 4 weeks holiday. It was just a quick 2 weeks trip to spend my birthday with my mom and my family. So I had to just pop into Salt River real quick and fast, and just to get some steamed fish and fried fish and all that sort of stuff before I leave the island, right? So you saw in the previous video, I went to Old Harbour Bay, where we bought some fish, and we also just sit there and eat some food with my two besties. But yeah, I just want to really thank everyone who subscribe to the channel, and my family, and I cannot say thanks to Jason enough for being there with me throughout this. He's like, man, Jason, big up yourself. Never left herself, because obviously if you're in Jamaica, you don't really live there anymore. So you need people to take you around, like with someone with a car and stuff like that. I don't drive, and Jason was there throughout my journey, man. Jason, you're my star, you're my hero. But yeah, we went to the beach, and we ordered a bit of fish and some fried chicken. I'm not a fish eater. I like chicken, so I had some fried chicken chopped up with ketchup and lots of pickles, onions, and festival, and a nice cold sorrel beer as well, which was super nice. Yeah, just one of vibes, because as I know, this is the last day on. This was a Thursday before I flew back on the 10th. So yeah, just one of vibes. I would celebrate. Let me go show my sorrel beer, honey. Yeah. Yeah, and just eat some food and pay some bills, and then just leave and went home, because we went out in the night. We went to this club in Old Harbour. We just stayed local. We stayed local. Went in the town, went to this club, have a few cold Heineken, kick back, and just enjoy the whole evening. So, because obviously when you come back to the UK, all you come back to do is just work. So when you're outside having a good time, and you're on holiday, live your best life, I didn't even spend time to buy any food stuff to bring back to, my daughter wanted just jerk pork. Hi guys, hi. Today's my last night on the island, and I am going out to have a quick drink. This is what I'm wearing. Shoes. There you go. Hey guys, well, today is my last day on the island. Just got back from outside, went to a club, and now we just got back. Just chilling outside. Back in the UK tomorrow with the hot weather. It's not as hot as hot, but now going back to the UK. Oh, the aircon is coming out. It makes me feel so good. Now going back to the UK, it's gonna be really, really hot. Looking forward to seeing my baby daughter, and she's not a baby, she's 21 today. So happy birthday to my daughter Nicole. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to my other subscriber Evan as well, who celebrated his birthday on the 9th. But most importantly, happy birthday to my daughter. Happy birthday. birthday, Nicole. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is the day when I leave the island. Look who I'm watching behind me here. Look who I'm watching right now. Mr. Vibes doing his shopping, making his purchase for his sofa. Well done, Vibes. But I am now packing because my flight is at 7:50, so I'm packing to leave and get myself ready for the airport. So I'm just doing my last minute check. I haven't washed and dressed. It's 12 o'clock, so I have a couple of hours to leave to the airport. So I'm just packing up all my stuff now. I'm just opening up the curtains, and yeah, just woke up, went out last night to this club, and I won too many for me to leave. I already took my best friend home yesterday, and my niece and my mom all went back home. So now it's just me, and I am now getting ready to go. My car will come and pick me up soon to take me to the airport, and yeah. Yep. Let me show you what I'm doing. As you can see, all my clothes is on the bed, and I am getting ready now. Bag, everything is here. So I didn't travel heavy this time. I just traveled 2 suitcases. I'm taking down all of these stuff, and yeah, even the cupboards empty and everything empty. Yep. Let me show you the other room. Everything is already stripped. Empty closet. It's my toothbrush here. Yep. That's me there. So let me finish. When I'm leaving, you will all see. But I had a wonderful holiday. I had a wonderful holiday, and I want to say thank you for everyone who's come by and stayed with me. Like my friend, my best friend Kadian, thank you so much for your chef skill, because she's the one that cook up all the meals for me. My little niece that stayed with me for a night, she was upset when she had to go home. She misses me so much, Shay. And for all my nieces, like, was it for my birthday, and Shamar and Shanice, Nikita, every one of them that was here with me, who popped in, who come by, everything, you know. Thank you so much. Right, let me finish packing, and then yeah, you will see my best packing so far. This hat, my bag over there. I need this hat to wear because the sun is helping. I'm good to go. I'm gonna shower and everything. Get myself ready. Hey guys, so I'm eating the last mango before I leave. The last one. Goodbye, Jamaica. I am ready to get back to normality and to make some more money. So guess what? I catch you in the UK. Yeah, I'm off. Thanks to everyone that came over to support me through everything. My new subscribers from Jamaican, all of you, thank you so much. Thank you to Jason as well for always being around me and never leaving me out. So guess what? I catch you in the UK.